A woman who has long hair likes to stand up and make it possible. It is believed that a woman with long hair can go to any extent to have sex. Caressing, rubbing, kissing, and sucking a woman's genitals during intercourse is an important part of creating greater stimulation during intercourse. When a man does sexual intercourse with a woman and sounds start coming out of her mouth, then you understand that the woman is completely satisfied. The sound coming out only means that the woman is enjoying the pleasure to the fullest. Men desire to do more with those women who have big eyes, narrow waist, wide and tight waist. Men start getting attracted to such women as soon as they see them. According to psychology, men who ejaculate early during intercourse should drink the yellow part of 2 raw eggs before intercourse. Can enjoy for as long as possible. According to psychology, the size of both the breasts of a woman is different, just as the size of the testicles of a man is different. By feeding a woman her favorite food before intercourse, the woman becomes more powerful in achieving the desired and she completely satisfies her male partner. Psychology says that no woman openly says that she wants to do it with you, she just hints. You have to understand. If a man moves the hair behind the neck of a woman and kisses her slowly and exhales lightly, then the woman yearns for sexual intercourse without saying anything. And when a man touches a woman's anus, she experiences intense pleasure and she herself puts the man's penis into the warehouse. When a penis is inserted into the vagina of a fat woman from behind, the entire penis goes into her vagina. This is the favorite position of fat women. Men will feel happy helping any woman. But it has been found that men are more happy in helping women with big breasts. It is believed that men who have sexual relations with many women consider sex very important, but such men are never completely satisfied with their relationships. Women experience the pleasurable phase during or just before menstruation. The reason for this is that at that time the blood circulation in their pelvic area increases. It is generally believed that women lose their desire for sex during pregnancy, whereas in reality this is not the case. During pregnancy, women's sex desire either increases or remains the same. According to a study, women who understand their own emotions as well as the feelings and needs of the people around them, prove to be good partners in sex. Men who live mostly in sexual fantasies are less satisfied in their romantic relationships. Having sex 2 or 3 times a week increases immunity. Psychologically, girls are more eager to have physical relations, whereas on the contrary, they have a negative tendency from outside towards having physical relations. Women doubt everything, whereas if someone wins the trust of men, then they stop doubting them. A man who respects his wife, in return gives double respect to his wife, whether it is in bed, in the family or in the society. It is more important to make things possible in life because making things possible helps in getting good sleep, and provides relief from mental stress. Psychology says, the biggest power in the world is the youth and beauty of a woman. There is a possibility of oral cancer due to excessive oral sex. Psychology says that girls fall in love at the maximum age of 17 years, and if we talk about boys, they start falling in love at the age of 14. Remember the person you will be most attracted to. You will get the most pain from the same person. Psychologist says that it is a 101% true that no matter how much boys find a girl they love, still if a beautiful woman comes in front of them then their sight slips. It is true that no matter how much boys find a loving girl, still if a beautiful woman comes in front of them then their eyes slip. By making a mixture of ashwagandha, shatabdi koh and shilajit in equal quantity and consuming it before sexual intercourse, semen does not fall easily. If a person teaches you the same thing again and again, it is not his fault, but yours. In a research it was found that no matter how beautiful a girl is, she definitely looks at another girl and compares herself with that girl. Psychology says that when a girl asks you more questions, it means that she likes you. Never lie to a person who trusts you and never trust a person who lies to you again and again. According to psychology, when a boy likes a girl, he starts trying to collect information about that girl from his friends or from here and there. Psychology says that if you talk and shake hands with someone you like, that physical activity as well as stress and fear starts reducing. No one belongs to anyone here. Everyone has the disease of meaning, they have to deal with it only. There is kinship in relation and meaning. The psychologist says that if you want to make a person agree, then put your hand on his shoulder. By keeping? Ask her out, this increases her chances of saying yes. Never trust a person who tells you other people's secrets. Friends, you should never force anyone to take out time, because if the person loves you or cares about you, he will definitely take out time for you. Psychology says that nowadays girls like to stay with boys who are drivers, due to which they have to suffer the consequences later. Everyone has intelligence. Now whether to show cleverness or honesty depends on our values, but cleverness shines only for 4 days and honesty shines throughout the life. Psychologist says that no one can love you more than the person who does not complain towards you even when you are broken from within. Psychology says that if you are sad about something, then this sadness makes you stronger and motivates you to be better than others. On some paths you have to walk alone. No family, no friends, and no partner, just you and your courage. A research revealed that often while sleeping at night, our eyes open and close automatically, and this happens when we are very worried and our mind is not calm. Relationships ended even with those people with whom it seemed that they would be together for the rest of their lives. Psychology says that if you want to increase your closeness with a person, then ask that person for advice regarding some work. This will definitely make that person talk to you again. No matter how bad times come in your life, never take a favor from a bad person, otherwise you will have to pay a heavy price for it. Psychologist says that when you start spending more time alone with yourself, you understand the mental state of others as well as yourself very easily. Keep your mind such that no one feels bad. Keep your heart such that it does not make anyone sad, just keep it such that no one gets hurt. Keep the relationship in such a way that it does not end. Friends, psychology says that people start liking you more when you present your own thoughts in front of people. According to psychology, when a person takes divorce, he has been thinking about it for at least the last 18 months. Friends, to return to us the fruits of hard work spent in making the video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. We hope that by subscribing to this channel, you will definitely return the fruits of our hard work to us.